Hey guys, it's Super26 here and welcome to another video. Sorry if I talk too fast in any of my videos. I just never realized how incredibly fast I've been talking. But yeah, it's a strange... No, it's not. I have lost track of the days. Sorry, it's not a strange day for updates. Lions are back. Lions have returned to Jama. These awesome animals can't wait to explore the lands of Jama, so visit the diamond shop and become a lion today. I only have one diamond. The emotion trading system has gotten even better. Now gemmers will see a reminder if they are going to trade a rare or diamond item. This will make sure gemmers always know they're getting a fair trade. Always remember these trading tips. Never give out your password. Why is that a trading tip? Don't lend to anyone an item, and even if they don't, say they'll give it back, and always use the trading system. I do all of those things, and that's pretty cool. Yes. Best guess. Introducing Best Guess, the fun new game that tests gamers' knowledge of animals around the world. Ooh. Do you think you know all about monkeys and koalas and eagles? Play this cool true or false event game to find out. Best Guess can only be found on in your party list, so keep your eyes open for your next chance to play. That's really interesting. I'm really interested this morning. I just woke up. I'm sorry. Celebrate the arrival of spring with this animated armor set available in the diamond shop. Yeah, some people have already noticed. Head to the Chamber of Knowledge to see the new mini book that's all about lions in the wild. April was to be here, so keep your eyes open for the wackiest party of the year. I was too busy staring at that at first, so I didn't read right away. I'm just like, what the? So, Animals of Africa. Be sure to visit the Conservation Museum and check out the new exhibit that's all about African animals. This will be the first time I've ever been to the April Fool's party, because they haven't even been on Animal Jam for a full year yet. So yep, let's go see how incredibly packed the diamond shop is. Only not very. Yep, 10 diamonds. That looks incredibly ugly. I want a lion though. They're kind of fun looking. I wonder if that person's getting a lion. Anyway, let's go to the township and trade. I'm not sure what to do. Why is no one trading? No, never mind. You guys can just find it do it for yourself. Oh, I haven't seen this. Of course. Aww. I feel sorry for the lion, but at the same time, then it deserved it. Okay, let's see best guess anytime soon. Yes! Answer the true or false questions by running to the side you think is correct. Adult polar bears have many natural predators. Where am I? I don't think that's true. Oh. Whoops. Hippos have hairless hides. I think that's false. Oh. I'm bad at this. Making myself look so stupid. Chimps have a long antenna. Could it be on both? Oh yay. Ant bodies are divided into 2 sections. I think true. I'm gonna go ahead and leave. I'll play this later. Oh, but I knew the answer to that one. Okay, what else was there? I'm not interested in the Lion mini book. You guys can see the rest. I'm not interested. Okay, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to let your imagination fly, and ow. I moved my ankle the wrong way. I twisted it yesterday. And I just moved it really weird and hurt. Okay, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to let your imagination fly and to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!